Welcome to my English tutorial learning prepared by Jubail Khandokar. This video is very important for you because today I will describe you the most important topics of English, which is parts of speech. Parts of speech is so important for you because without knowing the knowledge of parts of speech, you will not be able to understand what the meaning of the sentence. If you don't able to classify the sentence, you will not be able to understand the meaning of the sentence because you will not be understand the sequence of the sentence and a word and their application in a sentence. So this important is very much important for you. Then come to the point what is very important, and this is me, and I will give you the full concept of pursuit piece. At first come to the point, what is the pursuit piece? Part means the portion of something and speech means a set of words or words which gives a meaningful expression of mind. So what is the parts of speech? Parts of speech means every part of a speech. So we will now the parts, that there are different parts of a sentence and they are classified in different ways. Generally, there are 8 kinds of speech. They are the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. They are the 8 kinds of parts of speech. Now I will describe them. At first, come to the noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. The word may be countable, uncountable, touchable, and untouchable. Stop the video, then see the around of yours what you are seeing, and you cannot say their name. The word is the noun. The noun are countable, uncountable, touchable, untouchable. I will not say that they are the different kinds. I am trying to give you concept of the noun because what you are seeing is the noun and what you are not seeing and can give their name, they also the noun. Here is I will give you some example of noun. When you are seeing the table, these table are countable and touchable because you are counting the table. You are able to count the table, one table, two tables, and you can touch that. But if you come to the rice, they are uncountable and untouchable because you are seeing the rice and but they are not countable. Though some people can count them, yet they are not countable because a person of common sense doesn't count them after boiling or after eating. So they are uncountable. There are some another example of uncountable and touchable. They are the water, air, and come to the honey, honesty. Honesty is an uncountable and untouchable. You know he is honest, but honesty you cannot touch them, it. And honesty is the uncountable. I will give you full concept of noun in my another tutorial because parts of speech is a very long tutorial. So I will not you irritate. And come to the point, pronoun. Pronoun comes from the Latin word pro plus noun. Here, pro means for. So, the word which is used for the noun, for the replacement of noun, is called the pronoun. If we briefly say that pronoun is a word which represents a noun. Here I am giving some example. John is a good, he loves flower. Here, he is represent the John. So, he is the pronoun because it is representing the John. Then come another kinds of parts of speech, and that is adjective. Adjective is a word which describes about noun and pronoun. It is a word which says something about noun and pronoun. It says it is good, it is bad, it is 12, it is 13th, and it is hot, it is cold. So adjective is a describing word which describes noun and pronoun. And this is very important kinds of parts of speech. And verb. What is verb? Verb is the action word. I am again saying that verb is a action word. The action may be different kinds. The action may be different kinds. Some action can be visible action and some action can be invisible action. When a person run, catch and fight with another, you are seeing they are running, they are catching and they are fighting. But some action word, think, love, feel, you know but cannot see. So they are the invisible action. Then come to the adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which gives the answer of when, where, how. Example is say that I went to school on foot in the morning. Here may be two questions. How did I go to school? The answer is on foot. On foot is the answer of the how. So on foot is the adverb. Again, when did I went to school? Answer is the in the morning. In the morning is the answer of the when. So it is adverb. He ran fast. How does he runs? Answer is the fast. Here it is adverb because it is fast is the answer of how. So I am again saying that a word which gives the answer of when, where, how, it is the adverb. Then come to the preposition. Preposition is a word which describes the relationship of noun and noun phrase with other words of sentence. It makes the relationship with of nouns with another parts of speech. There are different kinds of parts of speech because parts of speech is a complex matter. If you study another other parts of speech, you will be able to understand easily and you will be able to success in this section. But preposition is a huge section and their application is very critical. If you are not very concerned about the preposition, you will not be answer the question of the preposition. There are some example in, on, at, from, to. Then come to the point, what is the conjunction? Conjunction is a word which connects two words or two sentences or two clauses. It is the connector. of something. Rohim and Karim are two words. To connect, we add the conjunction and. Another way, we are again by using conjunction, we add the two close. Rohim is a boy and he loves to go to school. Here and is connecting to close. Then come to the interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses the feelings of mind. Interjection which gives the feelings of mind. When you feel happiness, you say hurrah. Here hurrah is an interjection because hurrah is the expression of your mind. That's enough for me. If you like my videos and if you think I am able to giving you some knowledge about the parts of peace, you should like my videos and you should comment, and if you think that part or a part of portion is not good from me, you can uh, make me know to what part of videos is not favorable for you. Then I will try to give the another video for you and I will update this video by replacing. So like, comment and subscribe video to stay with us. Thank you.